Hey there everyone, it is Digital David Dobkins here, and I've got some amazing stuff to share with you today. I'm just really pumped about this new thing that I got into where I get silver coins, MS-70s, Cougarans, and bullion shipped to me, direct to my house, right? And so once a month I'm going to be getting new coins, new value, new real wealth. Precious metals is one of the ways that I use to build my wealth, and I also help my team members and my friends and my family do it the same way. And I just got this package in the mail here. I'm going to share this with you. I'm going to open it up right now, and I just want to be able to just kind of encourage whoever's watching this video. If you were looking for a way to exchange your paper money, and the reason that I do that is because it's losing value. The value is going down day by day, right? They keep printing more of it, and really it's not worth what it used to be worth. So a US dollar is not really even worth a US dollar anymore. And so I'm going to show you how I'm building wealth. I'm going to open up this package here that I just got and show you what's inside and explain to you why I'm so excited about it. Once again, you've got Digital David Dobkins here coming to you, and let's get into it, okay? So once again, I got this package here today, and this is from a company called QuickSilver, okay? And QuickSilver is an organization that you can buy silver coins, like I mentioned, and also gold, if you wish, from dealer direct with wholesale pricing, saving a lot of money on accumulating silver coins and bullion and Cougarans and collecting wealth, right? Exchanging those paper dollars for real wealth, real precious metals, okay? So what's inside the box here, inside the package? I've got a few things. Check this out. These right here are little coin holders that you'll get, and you'll get a bunch of these when you buy the package that I got. They're little clear coin holders that you put your silver coins into, and I'll open one of those up and I'll show you that here so you can see what those look like, okay? And these actually help protect your coins from wear and tear, from human touch, and they even sent me some gloves and a little velvet display tray to put them on, to be able to look at them and admire them and share them with other people. Also inside the package here is a magnifying glass, and everything's branded QuickSilver. And what's really cool about this is you have the opportunity to share this with people. Now, if you're not into that, that's totally fine. Not everybody likes to share and recruit and promote stuff. All you have to do is just buy silver coins, become a member, save money. Now, if you go to like a coin collector store in your town, wherever that might be, you're going to haggle, you're going to pay retail price. You're not going to really know if you're getting the good quality or if you're getting the best deal. And so if you go direct, dealer direct, wholesale pricing, you save money, you save time. It gets sent right to you, and you know that you're building good wealth and you're getting good value. So QuickSilver is the company that is shipping me this stuff. And once again, the reason that I'm so excited about this is because I'm building wealth, I'm helping my family do the same thing, and I'm showing other people like you how to do it too. And if, again, you're not into recruiting, you're not into sales, you're not into marketing, that's totally fine. There's people that collect silver and gold as a hobby. There's people that want to build their wealth and grow their income. My parents, this is about 15 years ago, they bought about $2,500 of silver. They saved it for a couple years, and they had $15,000 worth of value. They put that $15,000 down on a house, made a house down payment out of $2,500 worth of silver that grew over time, right? So it's pretty amazing. All right, let me open the big package here. I'm so excited about this. This is going to be really cool. Okay, so I'll just tell you real quickly, what I got is a package when I made my very first order from QuickSilver. That's called a challenge package, and they actually, if you buy this package, and it's not that expensive, and I'll give you all the details in the description of the video here somewhere on the page. If you're on YouTube, it's going to be below. If you're on a landing page or a website, it's going to be somewhere on this page. You can also get the information about how to join and sign up, and you can also contact me directly through my Facebook Messenger or email and ask your questions, okay? But this package it's a challenge pack, and what they're doing, and you can see that there it says Wealth Accelerated QuickSilver. Pretty amazing. This is a display box, okay? It's a case to be able to hold all of your silver coins in, right? And there's some white gloves here. The white gloves are for handling your coins. If you handle them right, you preserve their value because they're more valuable when they've not been handled and touched and marred and scratched and stuff. Here's the velvet display tray that you can put them on to look at them. There's a couple brochures in here about the business, about how to buy and sell silver, and also about the comp plan for sharing this if you want to do it as an opportunity too, okay? And inside here is 2 trays. See all the circles? I think you can see the circles on the video. 2 trays worth of being able to hold silver coins in there, and that amounts to 40 silver coins that you can accumulate over a period of months or a year or two or whatever, saving your silver, preserving it right inside of this case, okay? Now, the best for last. I saved the best for last, and I want to show this to you. So first of all, once again, I ordered these direct, dealer direct. Let me put on one of these gloves to handle the coin because I want to be able to show you properly what these look like, okay? So I bought these dealer direct at wholesale price, and I've got the case to store them in, and I'm accumulating wealth by doing this because silver and gold goes up in value over time, right? You know the price fluctuates on everything, stocks, cryptocurrencies, Forex, but gold and silver typically continues to go up over time, okay? So it comes in a little package here, and I'm going to put it in one of those display disc cases that I showed you a minute ago, those clear cases to preserve it. But right here, I'm just going to show you this amazing coin here that I got. Okay, it's absolutely beautiful. This one is a South African theme, okay? It's 2-sided, okay? And if I keep this coin, it's going to go up in value, but that's what I'm doing. I am collecting and accumulating wealth by collecting silver and gold coins, okay? Now, something really quick, I just want to share with you a little bonus that I got, and I didn't know this was coming, okay? So right here you can see this package says free gift on it, okay? Free gift right on that package. And I open it up and I'm just blown away because check this out. Right inside here, I didn't even pay for this. It's a second silver coin, and I'm going to open that up and show you. Now this one is a little different than the first one, okay? It's not the same grade, it's not the same theme or shape and size, but it's solid silver. And I just want to show you that because these are valuable coins. These coins accumulate value over time, and they help you build your wealth. Now, I've also been working with another silver and gold company called 7K Metals. So I have 2 sources. I've got the QuickSilver organization and the 7K organization, and between the 2, I'm getting about 3 to 4 coins per month, okay? I'm going to fill up that display case I showed you. It's going to look amazing. It's going to look beautiful. I'm going to have that over time in my safe, in my vault, and it's going to be growing and gaining more wealth over time. Anytime I want, I can resell those coins for a higher value as long as the price is up. But again, traditionally it might go up and down a little bit, but it traditionally goes up over time, okay? Okay, once again, David Dobkins here. Thank you for watching this video. If you're interested in doing what I'm doing and you'd like to collect silver and gold coins, or if you just want some information to kind of consider and think about, hit me up in Messenger or in email, and I really hope to hear from you. Once again, you can earn income by collecting valuable precious metals by the value going up over time, and you can earn income by sharing this as an opportunity. Okay, you get commissions on sales if someone joins you. That just happened to me 2 days ago. I joined this QuickSilver one. I've been in 7K earning money for a little while now, but I just joined QuickSilver like a week ago. 1 or 2 days later, I got someone signed up and I got a $40 commission just because they bought this pack, this same exact pack that I bought, for only about $170 or so. Okay, all right, once again, David Dobkins here. Hit me up in Messenger, send me an email, text me, let me know if you've got questions about this. I want to be able to share the details with you, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Hey guys, real quick here, I just want to tell you one more thing about the QuickSilver organization, okay? When I buy these silver coins, when I invest in my own wealth building, and when you buy silver coins, once again, you're getting them at wholesale cost, dealer direct. You're actually going to be helping provide meals through an organization called Feed My Starving Children, okay? Right there, and that helps provide much needed meals for hungry children. Okay, this is one of the brochures right here, and you can see that right there, when you invest in silver, when you build your own wealth, when you grow your income and you support this organization, they actually help buy meals for needy children. Okay, and that just warms my heart. Everybody wants to be part of a good cause, and this is one of those great organizations, Feed My Starving Children, that you can help just by building your own wealth, accumulating silver and gold coins, and investing in yourself. You're actually helping feed children who are hungry. Okay, once again, David Dobkins here. Reach out to me with your questions about the QuickSilver or the 7K group, and I want to help you get going in this. I want to help you and your family begin to build real wealth. See you on the inside.